Mom, Nan, you too. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Joel, and we're back at it again with another quick video. You feel me? About to start up this beast and head up to IFO. So let's hear. Neighbors, buenos dias, vecinos. Good morning, neighbors. That's the only thing that I just said. We have made it, boys. National trails, y'all can see it in the background. Let's go, traffic, come on, let's get it. Now we have officially made it. There we go. Which line's moving quicker, bud? We made it. I went to sleep last night. Hell yeah. I woke up, but the alarm came on. I told my girls, turn that shit off. Oh, look, he got the suit. He going to Raptor out. Hey, yo. LS swap. No? What is it? No, I didn't see that. What? That was just spinning last night. But how did I miss it? He let that bitch loose last night. How did I miss it? I was like, LS swap. Shut the fuck up. You lying. I did not see that car not once. I seen the vet yesterday spinning planes. Bitch spinning stupid planes. But we here, guys. We here. Hey, Malou, what up, boy? I'm just warming up the car so that way I can enter the little two-step battle, yeah. Whenever they do that, hopefully I can get in. Alright, so who's doing it? Let's see. Wait. Where's it at? I got it. Nah, let's go hear this boy right here. Oh shit, what the what, boy? Yeah, he not playing. He said, who quicker than me, boy? He said, fuck a track hawk, fuck a slow ass Hellcat. I got a helicopter. Ain't nobody smoking me, son. He said, y'all niggas think y'all fast. Ain't see it at all. I wish I saw it. Man, that thing, do his thing. There you go. There you go. It's about to fall off, but it still works. All right, come on, let's see some racing, man. Let's see some racing. Look at that scat pack. Hey. You made any passes today?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Just trying to get this thing set up.
Hell yeah.
So it's an MS3X,
Why does it have the dual exit Westgate pipe? Well, I seen him earlier when he was walking. He did a whole front flip. Follow the man's YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh yeah. I remember the flame kit. Right leg gone. Damn, his car fucking up. 11. He ran an 11. Yup, see, told you. He still ran an 11. It was cutting off though. If he would have kept, if it would have never kept cut off, he would have ran a 10. We got all the cars parked up right here. I was with my boy Jeremiah. I don't know what they're doing right now. I'm about to call them though. We got a nicer spot because the two-step, it's right there. If you guys can see that tent, that's where they do the two-step. So I got a better chance of getting there early. Two-step in. Two-step in.
1
This shit got a supercharger in it? Yeah. Let me see it. Let me see the supercharger. Sheesh.
Oh, this is hard.
Está caliente. Es la correa, ya se la está partiendo.
Oh, yeah.
It needs a new belt. That's nice though. Yo creo que yo lo he visto este on sale. Yeah.
Yeah, it was the same. They buy cars, they fix them and they sell them.
Alrighty, let's do it. ¡Huepa, cabrón! ¡Vámonos! ¡Woo! How can you get tired of this, man? That's crazy.
It's hard. Don't get me wrong, about 6 o'clock, I'm already tired.
You guys need 2 of these things. That's what you need, 2 of them.
Right? Now we're just thinking, man.
qué bestia. ¿Cómo estaba eso, Ale? ¿Cómo estaba? Estaba duro, estaba duro. That one sounded good, I ain't gonna lie. This fucking Jetta is crazy. Somebody tell the Jetta hit the two-step. Tell the Jetta two-stepping. Yeah, tell the Jetta. He might get me off round one for real, but let's see. Go record, boy. Go record. Record people two-stepping. Go ahead.
shit about to be hot too, bro. You hear me? You ain't got no tools and that shit about to be hot.
I got tools. I have.
You do?
Is it recorded?
Camaro